Okay, so guys, today is the 9th of July, and today in the official server, Hayabusa is finally available along with the tinted marriage. So before we start the tinted marriage, let us first have a look of Haya. Okay, here it is. Let us just check the intro, which was published in the MLA official YouTube channel. Oh, so just let us have a look at the official introduction. Let us just fast forward it a little bit.
I'll be the blade in your hand. Do you want to be my Shikigami? Witness the real power of the shadow. New adventure, new legend.
Okay, so just let us check how Hayabusa actually is. I have already picked up the 5-star free Haya. So now we can see his skills. Okay, at first it's the skill Oigi. Uh, just let us read the introduction first. Hayabusa retrieved all his phantoms on the battlefield, dealing damage equal to 100% of his attacks to enemies along the path as phantoms return to him. So just let's check it out once again. He has summoned the phantoms and dealing damage. So in the level 1, it's dealing damage equal to 100%, and while it's level 3, the slash damage is increased to 430%. Okay, let us just now check the skill number 2, the ninjutsu mist conceal. Okay, it's a summoning technique, basically substitute. Hayabusa is using substitute to be summoned in the back of the enemy. So now let us just read the skills first. Hayabusa ambushes behind the enemy team when the battle starts, like this. Okay, dealing damage equal to 200% of his attack to the target, and confusing is so that his skill won't target Hayabusa. Okay, it lasts 20 seconds unless Hayabusa is the only surviving hero. So I do believe while using Hayabusa, it will be best to have a healer in your team, like Lunox, Estes, and don't forget about the Nana. So the level in the level 4, the damage dealt by the Shuriken increased to 280% attack, which was 220% when it was the level 1. Okay, so now let us check the skill number 3. It's another ninjutsu, quad shadow. Okay, so let us just check the description first. Hayabusa summons one phantom behind the enemy. Hayabusa summons one phantom behind the enemy with the highest defense. So basically, it's targeting the tank, dealing damage equal to 280% of his attack, and the phantom then reduce nearby enemy units. So it becoming a AOE debuff. Great. Okay, so now let us check the fourth skill, which is the ninjutsu Kama Itachi. Description is for the every 1% of his crit rate, Hayabusa deals extra damage equal to 2% of his attack to the targeted enemy from the behind. So I do believe for Hayabusa, artifact stuff will be best while using on Hayabusa. So let us check the level 3 skill effect, which is the for every 1% of the Hayabusa's crit rate, the extra damage dealt to the targeted enemy from behind is increased 3% attack. So basically Hayabusa is a backline jumper, and while having some healers with him, he actually gonna be unstoppable. So let us check the Tinted Mirage, which has released on the official server today. Today is the first day of Tinted Mirage. Guys, let us try the Tinted Mirage. I just can't hold myself. Already people are just throwing themselves into the Tinted Mirage event. So as you know, this is the first day of Tinted Mirage in the official server. So Hayabusa is the hot hero. Let's use it because I just want to know how it will perform. As I have previously told that staff would be good for him. So just let's put the staff on Hayabusa and start the fight. Ouch. Unable to see anything. No issue, buddy. Let's try it again. MVP. Let us just fast forward it a little bit. Anna is unable to be MVP. Yeah, okay. I got it. Just let me set up all the heroes. I need a tank, and definitely I'm going to use this. Okay, so here I am. Tan, 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 tan. Oh my god, he's just owning everyone. Okay, time scroll has unlocked. Definitely I need more power, so just let level up Hayabusa. I need it to be 6 star, so fine. Now I am just leveling up all the required towers to get to be the powerful one of claim. What it does, the past is the future, says all the story connections for the rare rewards in the realm of Samasta. Okay, fine. So we can see that we can start up either the staff of Aurora or the potion of nature. I'll get back to you in another video by describing what will be best to level up in this tinted bridge section. Okay, so now campaign 1/7. Need a powerful enemy to understand actually how Hayabusha's skills are working. Stage 1/10. So guys, definitely, and yes. Okay, so here is the time vortex wheel, and you can set the auto spin or not, whatever you want to choose. A best way to get the resource. So now here we can see the AFK resource towers, which helps you to get all the resources while you are AFK, and with all the resources you can upgrade your main towers to make your team powerful and achieve to win the further stages. So you can see that I am just leveling up all those at present to all 5, as I am lacking some of resources, so I am just using chests to get all the resource. That's another good way to get all the resource. So for now, these are the all for this video, and I will just get back to you with all the details in my next videos. Till then, stay tuned.